Everyone, Nick, First Class Home Inspections. We're doing an inspection on our house that's only a year old, so we're doing kind of like a builder's warranty inspection. And so we found something pretty significant by the front door. We have paint peeling right here, going all the way up to the top. And we actually have sagging in the paint right there, so water is getting in here. And I'm gonna take you outside and we'll take a look at what's going on. So one of the things, this tile should be under the flashing, but as we come down here, you can look over here and it has the kick out flashing. So we're directing the water away from the home. Here we have no kick out flashing, and we have gaps in the stucco. Right here, I even see exposed wood. So it's water, we just had some bunch of rains come through here. They're coming down into this hole in the stucco, running down the wall and causing the water damage. So this really needs to be reworked, reflashed to prevent the water from going in behind the wall and down into the home. So a lot of people think it's a new house, warranty home inspection, doesn't need anything, everything's perfect. That's not always the case. These are the kind of issues that obviously we showed up more because of the rain, but we want to make sure we take care and address and protect your investment. For your home inspection needs, First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeinspection.com. Thank you.